In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Tally.so Embed code in WordPress. Whether you want to enhance your site with interactive forms or polls, integrating Tally. So into your WordPress page is a simple process. So let's get started and walk through each step together. First, go ahead and open up your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in Tally.so and watch for the official link to pop up in your search results. Give it a click, and you'll find yourself on the Tally.so homepage. Once you're there, look for the login option. You'll need to enter your credentials to access your account, so take a moment to log in. If you're new to Tally.so, you'll want to set up an account first to make the most of its features. After you're logged in, navigate to your list of forms and find the one you'd like to embed. Click on that specific form to open it up. Look for a tab labeled Share. This is where you'll find the different settings for sharing and embedding your form in WordPress. When you're inside the Share tab, you'll notice various embed options. Choose the embed style that works best for you. Maybe it's the standard option, or perhaps a pop-up would suit your site's design better. You can also select Full Page if you want the form to fill your entire page. Once you've selected your preferred embed type, you may want to make some tweaks to ensure it looks just right on your site. Tally.so lets you adjust various settings, such as making the background transparent and resizing the form to fit your WordPress theme perfectly. After you've set everything up, it's time to get that all-important embed code. Simply click on Get the Code, and once it appears, hit Copy to copy it to your clipboard. Now, shift your focus over to your WordPress site. Open the WordPress post or page where you desire to embed your Tally.so form. Once there, you'll see a plus icon which lets you add a new block. Click it and search for the custom HTML block in the list of options. Depending on your WordPress version, it might just be an HTML block. With that block in place, all you need to do is paste the embed code you copied into the custom HTML block. It's as simple as that. Finalize everything by saving your changes. Choose to either publish or update the WordPress post or page, and you're done. Now, when you visit your site, you'll see your Tally.so form fully integrated and ready for your visitors to interact with. And there you have it. Embedding a Tally.so form within WordPress is a straightforward task once you know how. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.